What do you have there?
A very dry peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It looks pretty good.
It's not bad. The colors are nice. Oh, that's delicious.
We're here in the California Delta. This is the west branch of the San Joaquin River. I just made that up, by the way.
Oh, wow.
But here we are, and the Antioch Bridge is in the distance. We've been here before. We've caught many fish here, but we're not having any luck so far with Jim today. Jim's our friend, and he helps us.
Supposedly.
He tries to help us catch fish, and well, Jim's been a little lackadaisical today. I feel like he's not giving us a full effort. Do you think he's giving us 100%?
I think he's an asshole.
I kind of agree with that, actually, with that particular assessment. So we're going to sign off, and
I mean, the sense of entitlement.
yeah, I mean, it's overall just the way he acts here as a passenger. But
He hasn't done one thing to carry his weight.
I mean, we have to, I guess, give him a chance, but I feel like we've given him plenty of chances already. I don't know.
He owes us.
We're disappointed in Jim, is what we're saying, but I'm not going to give up on it completely. We're gonna stay out here for a little while longer.
Fuck him.
Ross is upset, and it's understandable, but we're gonna keep at it. I'm gonna keep at it. Ross is gonna have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Jim's gonna hang out.
I'm coming for you, Jim.
Signing off.
This is ye old original Robo Worm. Texas rigged.
You know where we are?
We are in the spot. I think we are just... Where's north?
Well,
Just,
I don't know.
in between basically Fisherman's Cut and Little Frank's Tract. And there's a fishy in here. He's taunting me. I'm gonna get him. Then I'm gonna kill him.
Your attitude sounds aggressive. I like that.
I'm gonna make him pay.
For what he did to you?
Disrespect.
I know exactly what you mean. It's disrespect, really. That's the worst crime of all. Sometimes you need a little nitro. size of my thumb. We're on our way out now. We've just passed Fisherman's Cut, and we're having a wonderful time.
We really are.
This is my face.
Smells good.
The coolant, the smell of coolant burning.
Yeah.
Yes. We're now approaching the barge. Look at that barge.
I don't know if I would like to work on a barge. Feel like
I love that barge.
feel like there's lawlessness that goes on.
Anarchy.
You can't report someone to their superiors.
No one's done a reality show yet about life on the barge.
I feel like they can do a reality show about life on the offshore drilling platform.
They have done one about, I saw one about tugboats. It was just riveting television.
All right. So I need to go around that marker, or can I ignore it?
Well, you could, I mean, you're probably okay. I'm just saying for the ships, that's the ship channel marker.
The ship is going to go on the far side of the marker. Yeah.
To be safe.
So you think that I should drive directly towards the barge?
Yes. That's my opinion.
A game of chicken.
Oh, yeah. No, actually, that is your heading, really. That's kind of your heading, is the barge.
I have no choice.
Yeah. Destination, barge. Oh, that's your M580 barge. That's the one I was looking at. That is the exact model barge that I want.
I would like to sit up in the crow's nest up there. The Arthur Brusco.
It's a good job.
Look at that, Portland, Oregon.
I think they're kind of doing a great job on that barge. You know what I mean?
I really do.
It's possible to do a bad job, and that's not happening right now.
I mean, look, that big boat, much smaller weight than Mr. Nitro.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's a big old barge. God damn it. Pardon me.
So basically, Mondays and Fridays are my days. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
For fishing.
That's good with me. What about barge duty?
So, every day.
I love that barge.